there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the all too familiar Dr. Seuss book. This is Green Eggs and Ham, and this book is awesome. It rhymes, it's got colorful pictures, and of course it's by the brilliant Dr. Seuss, and he has very creative, clever lines in here. We love to read this. It is 62 pages, so if you are reading this at bedtime, then you're probably going to be putting your kid to bed for a little while. So this is definitely a book that we read during the day, but it's so much fun. We have a lot of Dr. Seuss books and we really love them. I love that it is rhymes and it's kind of a tongue twister and it makes it super fun. So I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.